every stage I feel more comfortable in my Tank 700. I use a lot of extra power with electricity to cross the nice and difficult area. In the Dakar we make a 7 hour during the stage, and here like the same, shorter stage but very hard. I'm so happy for that because I need to push more comfortable in the car and more aggressive in the section of the dune. But well, I am very impressed of the Taclimaca rally race. I'm so happy for the stronger stages. But well, I'm so happy to be here to push the last one stage to my mates in the looking for the final kilometer.
Today my goal was I start 20 minutes before Nico. I wait for him. If he have some issues, I can help him. It's very important for us if we can win with our cars. No?
把车护好，坚持到最后，不能急，不能躁。
GWM, go with more.